What the
The
fuck
things that
is
tell
this
me
thing?
is this Traveler Pro, this backsplash stars. It even has the intercom that the people pulled out of the back door.
Look at this. They paid 49 cents for this junction box.
This has the propane. You light. It's got. Once you hook a propane up and you light that shit, it actually acts as a heater. There's a crown, so we're gonna have to use that. Look at how nice these things are. Look at that. How solid everything is. It's a step up. Actually, the people that had the one, they didn't like, even this looks like it. That's a big mattress. How big is that mattress? A queen?
Yeah, I think it's a queen.
That has to go though.
Yeah.
Let me go up to the window.
Don't be taking my picture.
Shut up.
Oh, you should.
This is, yeah, see the curve, the wood. The curve shows me it's a 60s.
Look at the cast iron stuff I told you about.
That tells me, this intercom tells me, the sparkle tells me. Holy crap.
Look at that, cast iron.
An ashtray. Oh, the sink. We wanted to see about the sink if it was one of those pump ones.
No, it's not.
But is there anything else over here? We got to take these drapes off and wash them and put them back up, dude. Like bleach the hell out of them.
Yeah, but they'll probably fall apart.
Look at them, because they all match.
Yeah, I know.
Let's see what else is up here. I can't believe there's no tag. Look at that Dutch oven.
Cast iron.
Little stove, easy off, and we're in business. Yeah, look at these light fixtures, how awesome they are.
I can't believe there's no.
The window to the truck, is that broken?
No
That might be broken, but it's not broken out.
So you wonder, do you think this is a Coleman? We'll have to look it up and see if it says Coleman.
Well, all the stuff says Coleman on here, but does Coleman have a crown?
I don't know.
Because that's definitely a crown.
All right, well, I'm getting no.
The plunger. Oh, I wanted to see the bathroom.
Oh, it's the door that won't close.
Look at that antique ass toilet paper. There's a bottle jack in here. Those baskets are probably for fire cooking. I just don't see anything. Dude, there's even a little vent window inside the bathroom to the outside.
Yeah.
Yeah, these look at all these tools.
Yeah, I know. You see the thing in the black case? That's a rod.
There's ductwork back there.
You would think there would be a place.
Oh, that's the mirror you're talking about?
You would think there'd be a place. Alright.
You know what I mean?
Yeah. Look at this. You know what that is, don't you?
A little, an ATV plow, no?
Yeah.
Or a tractor plow? Oh, so let me look at that. That point is going to tell me something on the back.
All we got to do now is look up a Coleman.
I don't
1985 Coleman and see if that's what it looks
No
like.
way.
No way.
I can't believe it.
You think
That-
they lied?
You think that vinyl in there looks like a 1985? That's grandma on Colin.
I can't believe there's no plate or anything.
I can't believe it. So I'm gonna look up which ones use the crown on their woodwork. Since I got that. Oh, and see what I was talking about, Rich? There's the trailer we're using. See how narrow it is? Got a filler, which is that we measured. Remove some eye bolts for clearance. Now he's gonna bring a UTV and meticulously swing it in after we lift it under here. The 8x4, it represents the same piece of plywood, so. Difficulty getting the jacks. Oh, he got it. So we're partially on it. We got to bring it out of the corner and then reset it up to be able to lift it higher. So we had to break the legs off to be able to get them out of the ground. They were so deep. But first time out of the barn in 20, 30 years. We don't even know. We took some damage loading it, but what are you gonna do? We'll get that fixed. She's heavy. She's real heavy.
So, do we want to take the railing down to make sure it's not coming through? What do you think?
I don't know, man. Let's see. Shit just coming down. Safe at my brother's house. We power washed it at the firehouse. Got my truck nasty because of it. It's heavy. She's heavy.